Hi everyone. Very good evening. How are you?
Hello,
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
Everything is good, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Do you have any questions in the previous two class? Do you have any questions?
I just want to go through again how do we create a resource virtual machine and connecting it in web.
Okay, we'll discuss it today in class. Sorry. In last two classes, we have discussed about um, what we have discussed in last two classes.
Introduction to Azure and how to set up Azure.
Okay,
Like
yeah, we have
subscriptions.
discussed the first class. We have discussed the basics about Azure, how the Azure portal looks like, a few basics about Azure. In the second class, we have discussed about why Azure, why, what is the use of Azure, and then a data center hierarchy we have discussed, and then Azure hierarchy we have discussed. Okay, those things we have discussed in the yesterday's class. Okay, today's
Yes.
agenda is this is today's agenda. First, I will First, we will set up Azure lab setup. I'm going to set up the lab for creating any of the infrastructure or else like deploying any of the resources. We'll discuss that thing later. Even create both Linux and virtual machine and then install Nginx and then Internet as a service. In Linux machine, we will be installing Nginx web server, and in the Windows machine, we are going to install IIS. Okay. After that, I am going to show you some script or else some commands to create the machines using script. It is as simple as just within see why we are going for script or automation is, see, in real world or in real time scenarios, we might get a requirement every day, or every day we will be getting a request like some development team or else someone might ask you to create 10 machines 10 machines 10 machines they might ask you to create. Okay. See, suppose if I use GUI and if I create a machine, how much time it is going to take? At least 5 minutes. See, if you are fast enough, then it is going to take at least 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, roughly 15 minutes, something like that. You need to check the virtual network. You need to check that disk. You need to check the all the configurations. You need to check. So it is going to take at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes, something roughly you can say. And suppose for one particular machine, if it takes 15 minutes, now you need to create how many machines? 10 machines. Then how much? 150 minutes. Then almost 2 hours, almost more than 2 hours, you are going to spend on one single requirement, that is creating a machine, some any, not only virtual machine, any of the resources. That is why none of the DevOps engineer or Azure admin persons will not use GUI to create any of the resources. They will be using either bash script or else PowerShell script. Okay, anyone any one of this they are going to use. Okay, even there is ARM templates as well. Okay, even there is bicep as well. Okay, using these tools or using this ARM template, bicep, PowerShell or bash, they are going to create the resources. Okay, that is why you need to learn the scripting. I'll show you how we can do that. First, our agenda is to create a lab setup, right? I will show you how we can set up a lab setup. See, if I want to use CLI, I need to have certain lab setup, right? Where I can run certain scripts, certain commands for creating the services. That I will show you how we can do that. Okay. First, log into portal.azure.com. Once after doing that, give me 1 second. Let this go up. Okay. Once you log into portal.azure.com, why this is not going up? Just give me 1 minute. This is not going up. I don't know why it is not going up. No issues. Okay. Open new tab, and if you click shell.azure.com. Okay, shell.azure.com. If you click shell.azure.com, it should give you a command interface where you can run your scripts. Now there is no I mean, like, there is no cloud setup has been done. That is why it didn't come anything. Now I will show you how we can set up the that thing. Okay, here you are able to see this next to the left of the notification, you are having a cloud shell. Just click on that cloud shell. Once you click the cloud shell, then you can select any either of the things. Just click bash. Okay, subscription. Which subscription you want? I want dev subscription. Okay, then scroll up, just click this one and apply. Okay, now if there is any resource group, you can automatically configure to that resource group. If there is no resource group, you can create the resource group. Okay, virtual network, you need to provide virtual network. Okay, what is this? Providing existing network protocol. None is there. Let me close this one. Let me close this one. So after this one, there is nothing. It is showing here. Just give me 1 minute. Else what I will do is I will close this one. I will create a new resource group. Okay, just click on create here. What I can say is cloud hyphen cloud shell, and then I'm going to give India region. I will just say India RG, something like that, and then just click create. Just click on create. After that, let me click this one. Let that create. Okay, the resource group is created now. Just click the same thing. Resource group could resource group ID, select the bash, you can sell. Okay, mount storage account. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I think now the configuration have been changed. What I can do is no storage account required. Just click that one, click apply. Okay, see, just within one thing, it is creating a the cloud shell. I'll show you again. Just close this one. See, just click on this cloud shell here. Already automatically it has taken. You have noted that steps, right? Simple. Just I have clicked. I'll show you again. One. See, now what I can do is now one storage account will be created automatically. One storage account. Previously, I don't have any storage accounts. Once this cloud shell is going to no created, then it is automatically will be created the cloud shell. Now this cloud shell has been switched. If you want to switch to PowerShell, you can switch it here. See, welcome to cloud shell. You can type AZ to use AZ CLI, type AZ, all these things you can. It looks like this. Now, after creating this one, now if I click shell.azure.com, just refresh this one. It is automatic. It will automatically open the bash CLI or else PowerShell CLI. You will show it will get populated. Just give couple of minutes. See, now automatically it is going to get like this. Okay, this is how you are going to set up the lab. Just click on this one and then just click it might ask you to give certain resource group, all those things. You can easily create that. That is not going to create any problem. Previously it was really different thing. Now it got changed. Okay, previously we need to create the storage account. Once after creating the storage account, the cloud shell is going to come up. Now there is nothing. Just select the resource group and then don't apply the network private link and then just click apply. It is going to give you the cloud CLI. Okay, this is how the cloud CLI looks like. Now suppose I want to I want to use certain comments. I want to know what are the resource groups available in my portal. Okay. See, now I want to check how many resource groups are available. For that, what I can say is just like AZ, I can say help. If I say help, will it come? Okay, we're getting this thing as well. These are the commands, or else these are the commands we can check. 1 second, I just want to see. Okay, account, aged account. Okay, don't worry about all these commands. You will learn one by one slowly. Okay. Okay, what I can say is just simply AZ and then account show. We can give this command. It is going to show you what are the subscriptions. See, environment name, it is going to give Azure Cloud. And then this is my tenant ID. This is my tenant ID. This is my subscription ID. Okay. And then name it is going to show dev subscription and then all those things. Now I have another subscription as well, right? Okay, now you want to see how many resource groups are available. For that command is see, you don't know all the commands. See, you don't know any commands, nothing, One way is you can go to Microsoft documentation. Now I want to list all the resources in Azure in subscription, I can say in subscription using what I can say like bash command or else bash anything you can give. Just click enter. Now you need to route to the Microsoft documentation. Even this one also perfect. Any one of those things. Then scroll down. This is not the thing. Just go back. This one. Don't worry if you don't know anything. Just follow me. You will easily understand. See here, I have used this one agent account show and then agent account tenant list. You can give like that. If you want to log in or agent login user, you can give like this also tenant. These are all the few commands. Now you want to what you want to show? I mean like resources, right? Just command. See, I have uh, two subscriptions, but it is taking a dev subscription. Now I want to set to production subscription. Production subscription. Just go to the subscription. Hey, the portal is very slow. I don't know why. Okay. This is the production subscription. Just copy this subscription ID and go to this one. See, production, this ID is different here. It is ending with 674. 674 is dev subscription. Now I want to use this production subscription. How you can do that? Go to this page and then agent account set hyphen subscription and then you can give the subscription ID. Just go to the CLI. What is the command? Agent. Tell me agent subscription. Okay, set what is that? AZ subscription. Okay, hyphen. Okay, AZ account set. Sorry,
We can't copy paste these comments.
you can copy paste, but copy paste will not help you. Okay, AZ
Oh, okay.
sub AZ account set. Okay, hyphen. See, once you make familiar, then you can do copy paste. At the beginning, if you do copy paste, what you can learn? You cannot learn anything. That is why I'm just typing it. Okay,
Got it.
subscription. Okay, AZ set hyphen subscription and then did they provide in the quotation or how they have given that hyphen subscription double quotation they have given perfect and then to give the double quotation just copy that one paste the subscription ID. Okay, just click enter. Now what it is saying the following argument hyphen s hyphen name hyphen okay my subscription even you can go with the subscription name as well. What I'm going to do is I think I'll copy this one. Just paste this one here. And then what is the subscription name I have? P as capital DRO. Just click enter. See, now my subscription has been moved to production. How I can show that? See that? What is the command? AZ account show.
Account show.
This is the command. Okay, see, now this the ID has been changed. Now if you want to change back, just give instead of this dev, you can give dev here. Okay, this is how you can use the command and then you can set it. Okay, now after that, if you want to see all the subscription AZ account list, if you get if you can give that command, it is going to give all the subscription. Okay, that is how you are going to set up this AZ CLI lab. Okay, the first thing is completed. This is done. Now now we will see how we can create both Linux and Windows machine and then install Nginx server and IIS. Okay, yesterday also I have showed you how we can create that. Again in the today's class also I'm going to show you. Okay, this is not required, the cloud RG. I'll just delete it. Even see, coming here and then deleting it is going to like, I just don't want to do like this. I want to do with the this script or else the command. How I can do that? You don't know the command. Then what you can do is just Google it, or else nowadays we have our best friend. Who is our best friend? Chat GPT. Okay, just log into Chat GPT. Okay, and then search the command. Just ask okay, Chat GPT AZCLI command to delete resource group. Just click enter. It is going to give, and then okay, this one. Just copy this one. Just copy this one and then go to this one. Now paste it here. Okay. AZ group delete hyphen hyphen name. Hyphen hyphen name. What is the resource group name? What is the resource group name is? 1 second. Let me remove this one. Okay. Just go here and then copy this name. Go to this dashboard. Paste the name. Okay. Hyphen hyphen f. Don't use this hyphen hyphen s argument. In real time, you should not use this, because by mistake, if you give hyphen hyphen and if you delete, it is going to delete it permanently. See, you should give AZ group delete hyphen hyphen name till here. Then after that, it is going to give you a pop-up whether you want to delete it permanently. Always use like that. Don't use a hyphen hyphen argument like this. Don't you never use this thing arguments. Okay, just click enter. Again, it is going to ask you, I want to delete like this. Are you sure you want to perform this operation? Because no, again you can rethink. If you give hyphen hyphen yes and if you delete, it is gone permanently. Okay, now I want to delete. Now it is going to delete. Even whatever the resources available in this thing, it is going to delete. I mean, whatever the resources available in this resource group, it is going to delete. Okay, that is perfect. Now I will show you how we can create using GUI. First, I will show you how we can create a resource group and then virtual machine. All those things I will show. Later, we will move towards the script as well. Okay. First, I will show demo hyphen RG. East US is fine for me. Okay. Just click on review. Okay. See, please note the time. I have started at 8:32. How much time it is going to? How much time it will take for me to create a resource group virtual machine? Okay, using GUI or else manual way. How much time it is going to take? We'll see that. Okay, just click on create. Okay, I'll go with Ubuntu machine. Ubuntu 22.05 LTS. I will select this one. Okay, just click on this one. Just click this one. Just click create. See how much time it is taking for loading. It is taking some time. See why people doesn't prefer a manual method or else using GUI is there is a chances of creating mistakes, because you will be selecting like this. Suppose you got some call, or else you are busy in other activities. You will be in busy with multiple tasks you will be doing at a time, right? That is why we should not use GUI, and it is more time taking. Okay, demo mission I will say. Okay, east to west is fine. Availability zone, I don't need any availability zone as of now. Just scroll down. Okay, no infrastructure. Okay, this is fine. Ubuntu, this is fine. Did anybody Google this? What is this ARM 64? Did anybody Google it? What is the difference between ARM 64 and X64? Okay, standard BS1. This is fine for me. Scroll down. SSH public key. I will go with the password. Yesterday I have showed you how we can do with the. Okay, let me use the password later in the upcoming classes. I will show how we can create with how we can use the SSH keys. Okay, just give the password. Okay, oh, password. Okay, perfect. Now scroll down, allow the port 22. Now go to the disks. Okay, now scroll down, select this one as standard HDD. Okay, it's fine. Just go to the networking session. It will automatically create a new network since we don't have any network in the resource group. Just scroll down, network security group, all those things enough. Okay, let this get populated. Then we can move to the next tab. See how much time it is taking. It will take so much of time. What is it? Could you please show me slowly? What is it? Could you please show slowly? What do you mean by show slowly? I didn't understand that. Okay, I will say demo hyphen vnet. I will create like this. Okay, address space. Don't worry about all those things. Leave as it is. Okay, just click OK. Now scroll down. Network security group. Leave as it is. Now just go to management. Leave as it is. Okay. Now just go to monitoring. Leave as it is. Or else you can disable this one. Just click advanced. Okay. Next, click next tags. Nothing. Just click on review and create. It will create. Okay. See, for Linux machine, the two 1 GB and then one vCPU, it is taking this much of time. How much time? 4 minutes it has taken till it is creating. Like this, if you want to create, suppose you might get like 100 virtual machines, 50 virtual machines. You might get a task, some kind of task in your day-to-day activities. Okay, just click on create. It will create. Okay. Now what I can do is now let until this machine is created, what we will do is we will create the script for creating the virtual machine. Okay, what I will say is uh, what I have given previously is it CLI command. Okay, fine. I will ask ChatGPT. Even I can write that, but if you don't know anything, you can take help from Google. Like even you can go to the Microsoft page as well, but this is very easy. I will throw question, it is going to give me the answer. Okay, AZCLI command for creating resource group. First I need to create the resource group, and then what is it, creating a virtual machine, creating ubuntu ubuntu virtual machine of size standard b1. Okay, b1, just click enter. It is going to give you the, see, AZ group create. This is the command used for creating the resource group. Hyphen location, you can give like that. Later, this is the command for creating the Ubuntu virtual machine. AZ VM create. Scroll down. AZ VM create hyphen resource group, and then hyphen name of the resource group, hyphen image, that is Ubuntu LTS long term service, and then size of the machine is standard B1S, and then username, and then if you want you can remove this generate SSH and you can give admin password. I will show that. Okay, is this machine created? Wow, super, this machine has been created. Just click go to the resources. Okay, now how I can connect to this machine is just copy the public IP address. Now you should download putty. Okay, just click on this putty app, and then you can give the username AZ user give the public IP address, click open. You will automatically get connected to this terminal. Just give the password whatever you have given. I think I have given wrong password. No, I have given the correct password. Okay, perfect. You can see these words, right? You want me to change the font size? Okay, let me change the font size. Let's go to the appearance. Change it here. I'll go to this one. I'll pick the bold, and then 14. I will take the 14. Apply. Perfect. Okay. Now I have logged into the mission. Now what I can do is let me install a Nginx server in this mission. Sudo super user do app update. Okay, we will be updating our packages -y. Okay, let this get update. Okay, before that, let me copy this public IP address and then open an incognito mode. Okay, and I will show you whether the Nginx server is Nginx web page is installed or not. See, Nginx is not installed. That is why it will be buffering like that only. Go to the server. Okay, updates have been done. Let me clear the screen. Now I need to install sudo Nginx, sudo apt install Nginx. Even if you don't want to install Nginx, you can go for Apache Tomcat as well. But Apache Tomcat is like maybe size will be little bit higher when compared with Nginx. Nginx is lightweight. Okay, and then even you want to, this is fine. I'll just install the Nginx. See, it is going to ask, click enter. Why? Okay, before that, I need to go to the security group, NSG. Okay, go to network security groups. Demo. Okay, come here. Nginx has been installed. Okay, now let me clear the screen again. Sudo. I'll just go to that page where www and then HTML. Okay, index. If I click index, okay, index. This is the one, HTML. Just click enter. Now, welcome to Nginx page is available here. This is HTML language. Perfect. I'm not going to make any changes as of now. Just okay. This is fine. Now if I go to the incognito mode and then if I search, it should come here, right? Till it is not, I'm not able to get it. Why? Because we didn't allow the port. Okay. Now what we will be doing is we will be allowing the port 80. We'll just come here and then we'll allow the port 80. Just click add. Is this rule added? No. Okay, creating security rule. Let this rule be added. Once after adding that rule, okay, the rule has been added, updated. Now what I can do is see automatically it got refreshed. Let me wait for one maybe few seconds. Let me refresh this one. Hello, okay, this the rule has been updated. Still I am not able to get it. Why? Just copy this one, copy the public IP address, just paste, then colon 80, just remove this one, just click enter. It should give you, I will just paste this public IP. If you have joined from laptop, just because there might be some issues with my cache, you can just search in the Google, you will get it. Okay. And then just search and let me know whether you got welcome to Nginx page or not. See, now I got the welcome to Nginx page. Okay. Now I want to modify. I don't, I for me, welcome to Nginx page. I don't like this one. I want to change it. Where you can go to this page and then come down here. Even you can add some GIFs, some images, all those things you can do it. What I will do is just come here. I will, well, instead of doing welcome to Nginx,
So this
what I will do
HTML code is default code for the present one.
for Nginx, it is like if you install the Nginx package, it is we are getting this default index.html page.
Okay.
Don't worry, you will not write this code. Developers will be there. Those people will be writing the HTML language website. They are going to build the website. Okay.
Okay.
What I will say is welcome to Azure training. And if you want to make this thing more interesting, what you can do is just go to Google and then you want to add some GIFs or else some beautiful images, something like that. You can just click GIFs, go to this one. Okay. What I will say?
It's Friday.
Okay, this one. Okay, we'll see. Okay. Scroll down. There should be some. Okay, just click on this one. Just copy this code. Okay, now go to this one. Okay, welcome to. Okay, this is fine. Now we can put it anywhere. Where I will put. I want below the welcome to this one. Below this I want. Okay, now just save it. Okay, now let me refresh it. Welcome to Azure training and then the Jiffy. It's Friday. Like this, the any website, anything, the developer. I mean, like we the this thing. In sometimes maybe the developers also might update this Nginx page. Okay, this is how you can do that using GUI. How much time it has taken? From 32 to what 15 minutes, more than 15 minutes it has taken. Okay, now let me show how we can create using CLI. How much time it is going to take using CLI. What I will do is I will delete this resource group. Just click on delete. But you should know what are the options available when we are creating the resource group. Okay, since if you don't know the GUI options, it will be horrible for you to understand the script as well. Why? Because you know what I can say, what are the things you need for creating the resource group. For creating the resource group, you just need only two things. One is resource group name and then location. That is enough. Now, if you want to create the virtual machine or else virtual network, you need to know what are the mandatory or else what are the mandatory things that should be given. You should know that. That is possible only when you understand how you can create the resource using GUI. If you know the GUI options, then only you will be able to do that. Okay. Now I'll just copy this code. See, I'm just typing in front of you only. I'm not doing any rocket science. I'm just using Chat GPT and then getting the commands done and then pasting you. And I'm trying to modify it in front of you only. Okay. Agent group create. Okay. Location, I'm going to say this time East US. Just give East US. Okay. Now go what resource group I can give is I will give the resource group name as test hyphen RG. Okay, test hyphen RG. Okay, just click enter. Now your work is done for creating the resource group. Now scroll it down, copy this one, copy this name, go to the notepad. Okay, what you can do is just come down. Okay, paste it here. Now agent VM create. This is the command, and then what is the resource group name we have given? Test hyphen. I will be modifying it here. Test hyphen RG is the resource group name I have given. What uh, what is the name of the resource virtual machine? Test hyphen VM. I will create the virtual Ubuntu. This is fine. Standard B1 is fine. Username. What I can give? Any username I can give. I will give AZ user. Okay. Now instead of this generate, I will give admin password. I will give admin password, and then I will give some password like this India at the rate 123. Okay, this is fine. How the reference code at the bottom did we see? Is that VM create name? I have taken Ubuntu VNet. If you want to create a VNet as well, you can use these things. As of now, that all things are not required. It is going to create if you don't provide the virtual network, all those things, it is going, I mean, the portal is going to create a uh, virtual network on by itself. Okay. Let
Default one.
us let us focus only on the virtual machine as of now. Later, I will show what we can do, what are the steps we can do, all those things I will show later. Just to make you familiar with these commands, I am trying to show simple commands, how we can do that. How we can use chat gpt or else these things, all this. Okay, the resource group has been created. Now just go to the resource group and then just click on refresh. See, test resource group has been created. Still it is deleting the demo resource group. See, now it got deleted finally. Okay, now I'll go to the CLI. Did I copy that script? Okay, just copy the script. Just click, just paste this one and then just click enter. Okay, invalid image Ubuntu LTS. Okay, okay. We are getting an error. What I can do is I can copy this image 22. I should give like that. Okay. Size is perfect. See, like this, we will be getting so many errors. We need to identify the error and then we need to. Now I should remove this one and then 24 and then I will just click enter. Okay. Let let's be created. Meanwhile, just give me 1 minute. I'll just drink some water. Okay. Now your work is done. See, now if you have this script, if you spend some 1 hour or 2 hours or something like that, and if you have this script, if the requirement has come like you want to create 100 machines, how much time it is going to take? Okay, size error we are getting size error. Okay, these are all the sizes available. We are getting the size error. I think we are getting the size error. I'm not sure why this has come like this. Okay, let me go to the portal. Let me go to the test RG. Okay. Okay. It has created a network interface. It has created, but it didn't create the machine because of the size. Okay, just go to the Microsoft documentation. Just go back. I think I have ready made. Anyway, I'll show you. Okay. The thing I want to do. Okay, already I have thing here. Let's click here. You will be routed to the Microsoft documentation. Scroll down. Okay, location, that is fine. We want this size. Where is the size available? Even we have some command for getting the size as well. Standard B1 is something. What is the oh, 1 second? Just give me 1 second. I just want to know the size. That is what I'm looking for. Standard B1S. Some yes should be there, I hope. I'm not sure about the size. Okay. Just bear with me for a few seconds. Okay, let me go to this learn about virtual machines. Create a Linux machine. CLI. Again, I have routed back to the same URL. Okay. What I will do is Linux virtual machine Azure sizes. Just click on this one. Just go to this one. I will explain you all the sizes like computer memory based thing will be there are like see these are the things general purpose, compute purpose, optimize, storage, optimize all these things will be there.
You mean SKU? Is that a SKU?
Q is different, a size is different. Okay. E family, B family. We want B family. B family. Where is B family? E. Where is B family? Oh, computer optimize. Memory optimize. Storage. GPU. I leave it. I have the thing available. Why to waste our time? Okay. Size is standard B1S. Sorry. B1 only I have taken. We should take S also. Now go to the CLI. Just click above arrow. One small S changed our life. Okay. Just give S and then just click enter. Now you will not get any errors. It is going to create. See, even you have the sizes available here itself. It is going to give all the sizes, but it is very difficult for us to check the standard B1S something like that. That is why. Oh, here it is. B1S is here. Maybe I have seen somewhere. Yes. Standard B1LS. Okay, B1MS, B1S. Here, the size is here. You can see this one, right? Here it is. Okay. It is running. Okay. Until then, what I will do is I have showed in the Linux machine how we can do that. Now let me create a Windows machine using GUI. Later I will show how we can create a Windows machine using this script. Okay, Windows machine is really very hectic. Okay, because it needs so much of memory. Okay, CPU, it takes so much of time. Be- it needs so much of maintenance, so much of cost, all those things will be there. That is why don't prefer Windows, prefer Linux. It is very simple, fast. Okay, same thing. Okay, what I will say is I am going to give the name here.
So Kiran,
Okay.
in real time, I have a
Hmm.
question. In real time,
Yes.
we will do we will have like specific mandatory machines to be created, or virtual machines can be anything like.
See, that depends upon your organization, what they are using actually. In most
Okay.
of the organization, they may prefer Linux machines. In most of the things, they might prefer Windows machines. That
Okay.
entirely depends upon your organization.
Okay. Okay.
But I prefer working on Windows machine. Okay. If you select this B1S and then VCP 1 GB, it is not going to come. I don't know what the mean. This thing is very slow. Let me take 8 GB. Okay, I'll just take 8 GB. 8 GB is required. If you select 1 GB, you will not you cannot log into that machine itself. Agent user, I'm giving the password here. Okay. Now one of the drawback is here. Uh, see, password, if I give few letters only. Suppose I have given the password in the script. I have given India at the rate 12345, right? Now if I give the same password, it is not allowing me from the GUI. Okay, if I want to create a password for the machine using GUI, I should give at least give 12 characters. Okay, that is one of the drawback. Okay, let me give the 12 character password. Who will remember 12 character password? Nobody can remember 12 characters. That is why that disadvantage is there are so many disadvantages. What is the password? See, just now I am typing the password and then I forgot the password.
Copy paste possible.
It is not going to work out, man. Copy paste
Okay.
password also.
I'm asking you. I'm asking you. Yes.
Okay. And then the port number required for the Windows machine is 3389. In one of the interview question, they might ask you what is the port RDB port number. Okay, just go to the disks. See, there is lot of difference for the costing as well. Here it is near about 7,000 per month, whereas for Linux machine, if you opt, see here, for Linux machine only 30 GB is required operating disk. Here 128 GB. Look at the difference. That is why Windows machines is like requires so much of memory. Okay, just click networking, leave as it is. It is going to create a, or else it will take the existing virtual network. Okay, just click go to management. No need to do anything here. Just click a review and create. It is going to review and create. Okay, now what I will do is I will open a duplicate port, duplicate tab, and then we'll see whether our Linux virtual machine got created or not. Okay, and then I will close, or else I will open a new session to log into the new virtual machine. Okay, I think I should close this one. Let it be. Just go home, go to the resource groups. Meanwhile, I will open Putty. Just click on the Putty, go to the resource group. Okay, this is our test virtual machine which we created using the script. Okay, standard B1S. This is a Linux machine. Want to get the public IP address. Oh, we didn't give the public IP address. We have given. Okay, perfect. Just copy this public IP address. Sorry, my Windows machine is very slow. AZ user is a admin user. What is the username we have given? Test user we have. What is the username we have given?
India at the rate 126.
AZ user. That is a password, right? This is the username. Admin username is username. Okay, AZ user at the rate. I can give the this one. Oh, just click on open, accept. What is the password we should give? India at the rate as capital India at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just click enter. Okay, perfect. And then if you want to update, you can update and then you can install the Nginx. Okay, which one you will prefer now? Okay, now I want to delete. I will once this machine Windows machine is created. Oh, validation failed. Go to basic. Scroll down. Windows machine. What validation it failed? Size. Okay. Let me see all sizes. Okay. What I can do is, if I go with higher one, it might cost a lot. I will go with B series, B2S. No, at least we need 8 GB. This is fine, right? B2MS. Let me select this one. Just review and create. Still validation is failing. Okay, let me go with the D2 series. Just select this one. Now just click review. Oh, validation failed for the basic. Required information is missing or valid. Which information is valid failing? Oh, sorry. I think I need to select this one. That is why it is failing, not with the size one. Let me go back and then let me select this one. This is fine. Just click and create. 6 rupees it is going to charge. If you go with the Linux machine, it is going to charge around 1 rupee. See the difference. There is lot of difference. Okay. Okay. Until this machine gets creates validation pause, just click on create. Until this machine creates, what I will do is I will prepare a script for creating the Windows machine. Similar. Just give agent CLI Windows 11 virtual machine creation. Click enter. And then I'm not going to create with, I will just explain you the script. You can create on your own as of now. Okay. This is how we can create the resource group. Even ChatGPT is also very slow. It is taking time because of maybe network issue might be there. What is ChatGPT?
We can move.
Replace resource group. It should come. Let me refresh. Regenerate. Okay, Windows machine is creating. As command for creating Windows machine. Okay, you will get these things like this. Agent VM create resource group, name of the machine you can give, image. It is still loading. Let that be created. Even this machine is also creating. Hmm. Admin, have fun. Next class, I will explain about IP addressing and subnetting. Okay. Uh, Today we have met our agenda. I will share the scripts with you as well. It is nothing, even you can Google and you can find it. If you want, I can show you. This chart GPT is also very slow. Maybe my network is slow because it is creating this one. Then that is why it might take some time. Okay.
So if we want multiple machines through CLI, we need to additionally add any script line for that.
Additionally, if you want to create multiple machines, you just need to create the same script. You just need to change the name or else the resource group, like that you can do. You need to modify the existing script. See, now I got the requirement for creating another machine. What I will do is just copy this entire thing and then paste it here and then change the resource group name, machine name, all those things you can do.
Oh, okay. So for everything, different, I mean, separate script need to be and given. So it can't be one single thing and for all different machines.
That is not possible. How that is possible? If you want to create a 10 machines, you need to have 10 lines, right?
Oh yes, yes.
Uh, that is, if you want to with one script, if you want to create 100 virtual machines, then go for Terraform. If you go for a Terraform, you'll be having a meta arguments. Meta arguments will be there. Using that meta arguments like count, you can use count, and then with that meta argument count, you can give 100, and then one configuration file will be there. I will show you how you can do with the Terraform. A Terraform is very, I can say, Azure virtual machine creation using Terraform with meta argument count. Okay, just scroll down. Where is terraform.io registry? This is the one. Okay, always refer the official things. Okay, if you scroll down here, see resource. This is for AWS. Here you can use for Azure as well. AZRM resource group something, AZRM virtual machine something, you will get it. And then this is the local name, count equal to 4. And then we can mention like this. Now, if you copy paste this one, you will be getting 4 things. You can first understand these things. Later, slowly, it might take you at least 2 months to reach to this stage. Okay. Now just slowly focus on this one. Focus on AZCLI and then GUI for
Okay.
at least 2 months, 1 month. Later you can learn Terraform. Then it will be very nice if you learn Terraform. Okay. Just click connect, or else you can go with RDB. Just go to this RDB. Just remove this one, paste the public IP, just connect. Okay. AZ user. What is the password I have given? I forgot the
Yeah,
password.
at the
Can
rate
anybody tell?
India
India
at
at the
the
rate
rate 1 2.
to 6.
For Windows machine? No, for Windows machine, I didn't give
Those
that
mission
password.
12 digit you did share us.
Yes. Okay. Now I remember. I will be able to log into this machine. Okay, this is a Windows machine. This will be very slow. Now I'm working in one of the project. For one of the project, they are using Windows machine. Same, similar like this only. It will be there where they will be like so many things. They will be they are what they're doing. They are they have deployed applications, web applications. For that web applications, we need to configure log files. We need to delete certain log file. All those things. Let this come up. See for how much time Windows machine is taking. Okay. That is how you are going to connect to Windows machine. Mm, see how much slow it is.
So Linux are preferable.
I prefer Windows, not sorry. I prefer Linux, not the Windows.
Even though with a high RAM or like a SKU size also, it will be take same time.
See, if you go for Windows, there are so many disadvantages I can say. One is with the speed, and then monthly, quarterly, yearly, half yearly, you need to do updates, you need to do patching. Uh, there are so many maintenance, all those things are even there is security breaches will be there with Windows. When you go for Linux servers, if you want to hack that Linux machine, it is very hard for you to hack that machine. Okay, now I have logged into the machine. Okay, this is how the Windows machine looks like. It will be same similar to our machine as well. Okay, now what I can do is just click on this one. Mm, any questions? Any questions here? Any questions you have?
So for virtual Linux, we use PUTTY for Windows. We can directly connect.
We can connect with RDB, right? RDB, remote desktop connection. This is
Oh,
RDB.
okay.
Even you can connect using the bash, connect via Bayesian. In real times, you will use this Bayesian things. This is more secured. Okay, you will not use RDB in most of the scenarios. We will be using the Bayesian. If not, you can use this remote desktop. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I will wind up here. AZ command.
Kiran, I have a doubt.
Hmm,
So,
yes.
is there any difference? Means, what is the difference between CLI and portal, Azure portal?
What is the difference between CLI and portal? You should tell me what is the difference. Guys, can anyone answer his question? What is the
Quick
difference
and
between CL?
CLI is quick
No,
and
Sorry,
he is not he is not asking the advantages, or else he is not asking that thing. He is asking what is the difference between CLI and Azure portal.
Azure portal is for GUI users and CLI is
Hmm,
command.
perfect. That is the answer. CLI is command line interface where you can interact with your portal only with the scripts, or else only with the scripts, or else some commands you can interact. But when you go for the portal, you can use your graphical user interface. Okay. Sorry, I just want to. If you have any questions in previous class, how many class completed? Three class completed, right? If you have any questions, three classes, you can ask me. Uh, Even if you have any questions, anything, you can ask me till 9:30. I will be there. Okay. Even in real time, you will not use these scripts. You are not going to create any resources like this. And ask me how we are going to create. Huh? That is a question you should ask me. How we will create these things. We are going to use Terraform. We are going to use Terraform for creating the any of the resources. Not with this CLI. Basically, we should go from basics, right? You cannot directly complete your graduation. You should complete your plus two. All those things you need to complete one by one. Then only you can complete the graduation. That is why slowly we will move. Okay, I will give you one assignment.
Is there
I'll
any
give you
file
one
name for that?
assignment. Yeah, just hold on for 1 minute. I will give you one assignment. I didn't show how to create, how to deploy internet information as a service. I have showed you how we can install Nginx server, Nginx how we can install in Linux machine. I have showed you, right? Similarly, we can deploy internet information as a service in Windows machine. That is assignment for you. Okay, search in Google, try to do that assignment. It is very simple. Just you need to log into that machine, and then you need to go to the services, and then just there will be check mark like this checkbox will be there. Just click on internet as a service and then start the machine. Then automatically it is going to deploy that service. Once after deploying that service, just go to the NSG network security groups, open the port 80. That's it. After opening the port, just copy paste the public IP and then colon 80 and then internet as a service. You should get it. Okay. That is assignment for you. Yes. Please ask your question. If you have any question, you can ask me.
What is the NSG, Kiran? What is NSG?
NSC is a network security group. You will understand slowly. Don't worry about that thing. It is network security groups. Suppose you want to allow certain ports, you want to block certain ports. It is like a firewall icons. You will understand slowly. Just in yesterday's class, today's class, if you have any question, ask me. Don't go beyond the things whatever I have teach. Now you are seeing the disk. Array, what is this disk? Don't ask me what is this disk. Energy, what is this energy? What is inbound rule? What is outbound rule? What is the VNet? All those things don't ask me. You will understand slowly. One by one, slowly. We will be having 2 months, 2+ months. By completing these 2+ months, almost all you will become proficient in Azure cloud with the all this. Okay. Any questions, guys? Can I ask you one question?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, you can.
Yes,
Why
yes.
you are why you why you are learning this course?
To get a job.
Okay, super.
Upgrade our skills.
So
Okay,
upgradation of skills again, extreme is getting job only, no?
Package.
okay,
Final agenda is same.
okay.
Whoever is correctly holding the job, I'm saying.
Is my answer right, Kiran?
Yeah, correct. See, we are learning this course to become a DevOps engineer. Just keep that. See, it's getting high package. Okay, getting other thing, that is secondary thing. Primary
When we
reason why
start,
you are learning this course is to become a DevOps engineer. This is one step. This is first step you are taking to become a DevOps engineer. I can say this is the second step. Previous to learning Azure cloud, you should learn Linux and shell scripting. That is the first step. After first step, second step is learning any of the cloud. The third step is learning the DevOps tool. Okay. Later, packages, good company, all those things will come into picture. Okay, see, I didn't delete the resource group from the portal, but using this bash, I have deleted. It has deleted my uh, resource group. Now I want to see how many resource groups are available. AZ group hyphen list. Okay, hyphen list. Will show. What is that? Okay. Yes, you are asking something.
Uh, as you said, we will maybe based on organization, we will work on Linux VMs also. So we need to remember all the scripts of Linux commands. Means commands we need to remember.
Am I remembering what I'm doing?
Okay.
Am I remembering? I'm not remembering,
Yes.
right? I'm doing in front of you only. Again, you
Few,
are asking,
few
am I
That is
remembering?
organizations will block this.
this ChatGPT very recent came into the picture, but before that, what employees used to
Go
do.
to this.
That is
Go to this official page, na. Go to official page. Who is going to
okay.
block
Means
Will
ChatGPT in your
blacklist,
organization?
right?
Array,
Blacklist,
this
right?
is official page from Microsoft. This
Ah,
thing they cannot
not
block you, right?
not this one. I'm saying about ChatGPT.
ChatGPT they can block you, but this official page they are not going to block, right? Even in most of the organization, even okay, they are blocking. Let it be. Even in the Azure portal itself, you have OpenAI. Okay, you can create OpenAI and then you can ask the question. See, OpenAI is available here. You can create this one and you can ask. This is also a AI tool. Or else, if you don't like to use ChatGPT, use this one. Na? Official page will be there. You can do that. See, when I resource group, when I check this one, I am getting these things.
okay, you're telling no need to bother about all these commands and all. Huh?
No need to bother. I didn't tell that. Maybe
Means you used many
someone can
commands,
ask.
sudo something kind of thing. So
See,
as your
sudo.
experience, you will get to know what
See,
that
listen,
command will do. Uh, as a
listen,
fresher,
listen, listen,
we
listen,
can come to know.
listen. See, in interview, if you go for any interview, uh, see, suppose if you have I mean like they are not going to ask you each and every comment. Suppose they might even these scripts they are not going to ask, because you will not use these scripts. You are going to use Terraform. Most of the time Terraform you are going to use for building the infrastructure. Then they will be asking Terraform configuration related questions. If you are not lucky enough, then they might ask you questions related to this CLI as well. Then you can just tell them what is a. They might ask you how you can create a virtual machine using bash CLI. Just then you can say agent VM create. That is a command. No need to give hyphen resource group, all those things. No need to tell them. You can just give this command. This is simple command, right? Agent VM create. Suppose if you want to create a virtual network, you can say agent virtual network create, or else agent network create, something like that. There will be commands. Okay. These are all the commands. And then you said sudo. Sudo is for, I told you, sudo is nothing but super user do. I didn't use so many commands. I have used, I think I will just note it out for your references. Agent resource group create I have used, agent VM create I have used, and then yesterday also I have used the same commands. Sudo apt update. This is the first command I have used. Sudo apt install Nginx. This is the second thing I have used. That's it. And then I have navigated to nano. You need to be a super user. Sudo nano, and then var /www/html, and then index dot star something will be here, and then index.html at the end. HTML will be there. Star means something will be there. Index dot something will be here. I don't remember that thing. Index.html like this. You need to go to this page and you need to modify this. Okay. These
See,
comments nobody no, going to ask you.
Oh, you remembered you and you typed here, but can you can you give me the basic commands which we'll use in Linux VM? So I think as of now, I think uh, Azure commands are means CLI commands are different and this Linux commands are different, correct? Both are not same.
See, no. See, first, if you want to become a DevOps engineer, sorry, I will just tell you what is a roadmap. What is a roadmap you should keep in mind for becoming a DevOps engineer. See,
Right.
first thing is you need to learn Linux. Okay. Then learn shell scripting. Okay. Then learn either cloud, any cloud. Okay. Then learn DevOps tools one by one. Like this is a roadmap. Why? Because if you learn a Linux and shell scripting, then automation is very simple. We are just using now AZ CLI commands. Now if you go for suppose you if you go for Terraform, you need to write configuration files. Suppose if you go for Ansible, you need to write playbooks. Okay, if you go for Kubernetes, again you need to write YAML files. Okay, if you go for Docker, you need to write Docker files. Those will be similar to scripting. It is like same like this only, it will be there. Now you are using these simple things, right? It will be similar to like this only, just English words you need to give and then you need to write it. Okay, even if you
You
don't know Linux, you if you are not sure, if you don't know the Linux, all those things, in our channel SOS University, we have Linux videos available. You can learn them. If you go to our channel, if you go to this channel, let me open it incognito mode. You can go to our oh, still it is showing. Not only from our channel, you can learn from anywhere. SOS University, go to that and then just select the Linux entire Linux will be available. You can learn. Maybe I think 20 classes will be there. That is more than enough. Okay. There you can learn Linux. If you are interested, you can learn else, you can learn the scripts as well, the AZ CLI scripts. Even those scripts also nobody is going to ask you. Suppose if you want, you will become DevOps engineer, then they will ask you questions on Terraform. Okay. Any further questions?
How about these videos also adding to that channel? The current,
Sorry.
these current videos, like 3 sessions we have completed, right?
These sessions will be uploaded. Already these sessions have been uploaded to YouTube channel, right? These videos are available in our channel. You can find them. See, just spend time, at least spend 2 months of time. See, by the end of 2 months, see, these are the classes available. This is our second class available. You can see it in our channel. Even in this channel only, we have Linux videos as well. You can search here and then you can, yeah, here. Linux fundamentals is available, right? You can watch them. 21 videos are there. You can watch them. Yes, someone is speaking.
Catch up on Monday or tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll catch up on Monday then. Okay, then. If you don't have any questions,
Can you drop me that? You said we to create a virtual machine for Windows and create. Give an assignment, right?
see, just create a Windows machine using the CLI. After that, you need to install Internet as a Service.
Okay.
Sorry, Internet Information Service. IIS. You can search in Google, you will get it easily. This is as simple as installing Nginx server in Windows. Linux machine.
Okay.
If you cannot do that, we will discuss on Monday class. Okay. See, I will go slowly because if I teach you entire things in one day, you will not understand. Okay. Any questions you have, guys? If you don't have any questions, thanks for joining the class. Have a great weekend. We'll meet again on Monday. Monday, I will be discussing about IP addressing and then subnetting. Later, we will move towards the virtual networks. Not from Monday, from Tuesday or Wednesday, actual more practical things will come into picture. Till now, we are discussing theoretical things. From Wednesday or Tuesday, more practical things will come into picture. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye. Have a great weekend. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Happy weekend.
Yeah, bye.